Alright YouTube, here we have an ET44AH that was just delivered from Fort Worth plant from GE, and he is now departing. 3425. Man, pretty hard. And he's moving out here. It's two of them and an AC 4400 looks like on the back. He is creeping along, man. Those are gorgeous looking units. And 3367, another Tier 4 that was built in Fort Worth by GE. And number 330 is an AC 4400 CW. And CSX is wrapping up their 300 order, their order of 300 ET44AHs from GE. Not sure what this train is. If anybody knows the symbol of this train, leave me a comment in the description box. I've seen 3 trains on the A line just within just a little bit. Got some more steel coils. One of them has a Conrail sticker on it. Got some scrap loads that are going to the scrap yard. Alright, just wanted to bring you guys a little coverage of this. So anyway, that wraps up this little special. I'm Engineer Pat. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.